Hi kids, how are you all? Welcome back. I hope you all are doing good and you all are fine. And I hope you all have gone through last week's Cinderella story. Yes? So, this week I have come up with a new story. Let's see which story is that. So, who is this? Yeah, a squirrel and a birdie. So the name of the story is Nutty and Buddy. So who was Nutty and Buddy? Nutty was a furry squirrel. She grabbed nuts all the time. Nutty loved to eat nuts all day. Why Nutty loved to eat nut all day? Because it is the favorite of all the squirrels. Squirrels love to eat nuts. So Nutty used to live in a tree hole. In the same tree, there lived Birdie with her children. See, can you see Birdie on the nest with her two children? Yes. Though they were neighbors, yet they were enemies. Why they were enemies? Why Nutty and Birdie were enemies? Let's see. This was because Birdie used to steal Nutty's nut. Huh? Birdie used to steal Nutty's nut. But why? Hmm. Let's see. When Nutty came to know about it, there was a big fight. Now tell me one thing, kids. Stealing somebody's food, stealing somebody's thing, it is a good thing or bad thing? Now you have to answer me, okay? From then on, they didn't speak to each other. Days passed on, passed by. One day, a big storm shook the entire forest. It rained so heavily. Several trees were uprooted. Many houses were destroyed. But luckily, nothing happened to Nutty's house. And the storm was over. Nutty came out of her house. She saw many fallen trees. Several animals were running here and there in search of shelter. Their houses had been destroyed. Suddenly, Nutty heard someone crying. To her surprise, it was none other than Birdie. Nutty saw that her house had been destroyed. She and her children were shivering due to being wet. So, in that heavy storm, Birdie's house was destroyed, and Birdie and her two children, two small cute children, were shivering because they were wet from top to bottom. Suddenly, Nati recalled her father's advice: help someone in need even if it is your enemy. So, what Nati recalled her father's advice: help someone in need even if it is your enemy. So, if he or she is not your best friend, but still they are asking for your help, you should always help them. So, Nati went up to Birdie and said, "Hey, Birdie, you and your family can stay with me in my house." Bertie was surprised at this kind gesture of Nutty. He said to Nutty, "You are very kind. I'm sorry for the trouble I caused you before." She further told Nutty to forget the past. Nutty agreed immediately. Both of them hugged each other and became good friends from then on. There was love all around. They even started sharing their food. So, what we have learned one thing from the story is sharing is caring, even he or she is not your best friend. So what is the moral of the story? So, what is the moral of the story? Moral of the story is help others in times of need, even if they are your enemies. Thank you, kids. Thank you for listening the story. I hope you all liked it. Meet you all in the next week with a new story.